nice and tall, all the way around 180 degrees. Here's White John on the here you see both riders clutching it up at towards the middle. Here's Chuck got the foot down right there. You see him starting to spin around in these circles. You see Aaron White with that big stuff out, getting really stretched out, making a little better, getting close to the barriers. Up and down and low, and just keep it spinning. Kyle Slager's sitting on the inside. You see him moving around that outside that bike to the inside. Aaron White with the handoff. These riders start getting close. Believe it or not, these bikes always seem magnetic. They always seem to fight each other roughly. Now that was just our introduction. Like I said, that's the evolution of the wheelie. Now we're going to take all those tricks and bring it back a little bit later. Let me show you our XDL Cup. And that's where you get the art of freestyle. And one of our biggest events throughout the weekend is the K&N Circle Challenge. We put these riders head to head. Now on my mark, they're going to clutch up onto the rear tire, and they're going to head over towards me. But once they get towards this fence, they're going to start spinning into circles like you just saw. Now the first rider to make it to 10 circles is going to be our winner. Now normally, on any given weekend when we're doing our events, these guys get a nice little cash prize. But because we're here just having some fun, we like to wager a little bit of dinner up. Last night, Kyle Slager had to take us out to eat. It was actually really tasty. Thanks to him for losing twice yesterday. So I know he doesn't want to lose again because I don't think he can afford it and nobody likes to lose. We do need a little bit of help from you guys. So everybody to my right all the way down to that bay door, you guys need to count as loud as you can.